Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really nice Penlight. This is actually a pen style light. Loving a lot of features about this. One is the absolute fantastic construction that this is, because it's all metal construction, which is going to be very durable. It's going to be long lasting. They do provide you with this rechargeable 1600 milliamp hour battery, which you can put in. You have to pull it out. You can charge it right there using the provided cable that they provide. But that's really nice. But I'm also loving the fact the versatility allows you to also, instead of this, you can use two AA batteries. So if you ever did forget to charge this and it was in case of emergency, you can pop this out, put two AA batteries in, and it's going to work just as well. You're going to put on the bottom piece here, and we're going to turn this on and kind of show you what this can do here, because this has a lot of other neat features to it as well. One of them is the fact that it has a rotating head, so now you can actually turn this on and actually have a pinpoint again with this here, and it is a rotating head, so you can rotate that around so that if you're needing to use it for working like on a car or something like that. Why, you might ask? Well, it actually has a built-in magnetic base. So if you have a metal structure, metal piece, I mean, that is a strong magnet, and now you can easily work hands-free. You can use that. You can adjust this piece up here, any angle that you're needing to have it, so that way you can get that adjusted. It does have a nice built-in, that is a strong magnet. It does have a built-in clip on the back of this to put this in your pocket, and it's got 6 different modes. So you actually have a low, medium, and a high, which is, I mean, that is really bright. Let me turn off the light so you can kind of see how bright that this is. I mean, this is a bright light. And so this will be great in an emergency if you need to signal somebody. And speaking of signaling somebody, you actually get a couple of other modes here. You get a strobe mode, which is going to be great for alerting somebody. You also have an SOS mode that's going to do 3 long and 3 short on that mode as well. So you've got a couple of emergency modes there, which is great. But loving the fact that this is a great light, that you have lots of low, medium, and high. And on low, this thing will last hours upon hours upon hours. And if you have it on high mode, it's going to be able to, you know, brighten things up. But on low mode, it says here on the box, long run time, 230 hours on low. That is a long time to be running an emergency flashlight. So that's really great as well. So lots of versatility with this flashlight. I could see a lot of uses for it. And thank you guys again for sending it.